പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന വ്യക്തിയോടൊപ്പം കുടുംബത്തെയും സമൂഹത്തെയും പൂർണ്ണമായും നശിപ്പിക്കുമെന്നും ഞാൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നു. ഞാനും എന്റെ സമൂഹവും ലഹരിയിൽ വീഴാതിരിക്കാനുള്ള എല്ലാ ശ്രമങ്ങളും ഞാൻ നടത്തും. ജീവിതമാണ് ലഹരി എന്ന ആശയം എന്റെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ പകർത്തുന്നതിനൊപ്പം മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഈ ആശയം പകർത്തുന്നതിന് ഞാൻ പ്രയത്നിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യും. ലഹരിമുക്ത നവകേരളം പടുത്തുയർത്തുവാൻ എന്റെ എല്ലാ കഴിവുകളും വിനിയോഗിച്ച് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുമെന്നും ഞാൻ ഇതിനാൽ പ്രതിജ്ഞ ചെയ്യുന്നു.
Today, on International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, we stand united to confront the dangers of substance abuse. This day is a stark reminder of the lives shattered by addiction and the urgent need for education and prevention. It is our collective duty to foster environments that discourage the use of drugs and tobacco, empowering individuals to make healthier choices and build brighter futures. Let us pledge to be vigilant and proactive in our communities, supporting those who need help and advocating for policies that promote well-being. Together, we can break the cycle of addiction and create a world where health and hope prevail. Thank you.
To prevent this drug abuse. What is the reason? Because of nowadays everywhere we can see there is a lot of youth is addicted drugs, different types of drugs. 1987, United Nations General Assembly declared June 26 as a International Anti-Drugs Day. In India, the central government, Mukti Abhiyan, through the Mukti Abhiyan, different state and different programs our government is conducting. In Kerala, the government, Vimukti. It is launched as a part of an anti-drugs programs. In Kerala, it is under the Exis department. They are organizing a lot of programs in schools, colleges and other organizations. So this is a very serious problem nowadays we are facing, especially our youth is destroying mentally, physically, socially and economically. If our youth is destroying, it means that the citizens of tomorrow is destroying. Maybe they will become an engineer or a doctor or a collector or a teacher or a laborer or any job if they are going to join. If they are very big, if they are addicted in drugs, it will affect their work, it will affect their health, it will destroy their family life also. So this is a very serious problem. Nowadays everywhere we can see there is a lot of forms of the drugs, even in chocolate forms are also available. The students, how to attract the college students and school students, that is their aim, their target. You the people are the target group. Please be careful wherever you go. If any unknown person, girls and boys, be careful wherever you go. If any unknown person is asking to use something, don't reply to them. Don't reply to them. It will spoil your life, it will spoil your family also.